This is mine. And that's yours, buddy. Come on. Mine. Here's mine. Here's his.
Okay, I'm done.
Here's Kenzie's.
Wait, where's the... Ayun yung kahuli.
Huh? That's the living room? Huh?
Huy, bagay to sa akin. Maliit. Tingnan mo, oh, glass. Huy, I love. Tingnan mo, ang kapal ng glass.
So, may idea na tayo.
Ay, talagang ina.
Ayan, ito gawin natin sa basement mo.
Kaya nga. Huwag lang mag-away at mauntog ang ulo. Naku.
Paano siya mapunta dito?
Ano to, hinarangan lang?
Ano to? Ginawa ko na dito? This is video.
Signature rice na picture natin.
Ha?
Shine and then rice.
Walang Diyos ko, nagkano
Sige na, para ano?
Alikabot naman.
Alikabok nga.
Saan yun? Rice was here? Hindi nakita. Chai.
Picturean mo nga.
Ha? Ayan.
Naka-video yan.
Kita ba?
Naka-video.
Hindi man.
Kaya nga. Ay, ito na, pinansin ka na. Hi! Dinadahan-dahan ko lang. Tingnan mo yung mga homeless namin doon.
I think mga homeless. The reason why they stopped over there is because of the weight. I know. Oh, they stopped it? That's it? Yeah. Oh, see, mag-ano tayo? Mag-Instagram picture. Vlog niya. So, Chai, are we inside the house?
We're in Galena Street Mall.
Main Street. Hi, Tita Chai. Tita Chai. Hi, Kuya. Kuya. What? Grabe, so I'm hungry. Me too. We are inside of house under rock. Oh, I want that.
Pero tayo magpaparade ba?
Is this what you're talking about? Parang ano no, parang tayo nasa Disney World.
We can go after.
Ha? Wala na? Ano yun?
I thought it was like
I still got token.
I thought it was a food place.
Oh, I think there is a food place.
Do you have any like other like tokens?
Han, play the octopus. Huh? Play that. Ilang beses na kita nahuli sumasayaw. Ang hina! He's okay, I think there's food downstairs. You are lovable, you little baby, you do. A kitty kitty. Lovable. What are you? You are crazy. Yes, you are, mister. Yes, you are. Tiles? The tile. Okay. Here. The music of yesterday. What is this, like a theater?
Let's go teenagers. Like that? Should I say like that? Yeah, that makes me feel better. Let's go teenagers. Let's go kiddos. Let's go, my love.
Alam mo, you know, we can do a vlog like this, just a walkthrough. You like lalakad ka lang. You don't even have to say anything.
Landed on me whenever I went to the zoo to see lions and stuff with the Dave.
Oh, they're real, right?
Yeah.
Are they saving?
They're dead.
Oh, you can do that.
Mom, I don't want to.
The blue room.
Because some people actually poach butterflies to do it.
Huh?
Yeah, they poach butterflies. Poach. It's like,
Oh,
they're like and stuff because like there's people that can be like back there. That can be like their or like sit here.
saan na sila?
but they're 3D.
It is 3D.
Yeah, no, it's 2D.
It's 3D.
No, it's not. Like it looks like 3D, but like all those little things are just like 2D.
Patugtugin yan. Ha? Token. O, taga-utos. Token, token.
Mackenzie!
You put token? Put token.
No, when the red light's on, you can't put it in yet.
Huh?
When that red light is on, you can't put it in yet.
The red light is still on. Ay, maganda mag-picture dito. Patagtag. Ano, bagong ano na simbahan? May gongo. Alam mo, pag may malaki na akong bahay, bibili ako ng
Like, Thailand kind of.
Cashier noon, di ba?
Huh?
Cashier.
Yes. Ooh. That's my kind of equipment. Yeah, cash register.
Yeah, I've done that before. You know, like that local store.
Where's
Mom, you want to know?
she's a head.
You want to know something, Mom? Like in 4th grade, they brought one of those old paper things on there, and we were typing our names out. Like everyone was allowed to type their name, and I messed up, so I had to keep doing it. It's real, Mom.
Sayang, di kita nakuha na video. Totoo talaga.
Ito yung hospital nila noon, dentist.
Dentist? Yes, anak.
Look at these glasses.
Huh?
Look at the fucking glasses. Fred Krager. Yeah, I'm glad you lived in a time like the oldest style.
Kenzie.
Hi. Yes. I know you.
Come here, baby.
Good, all those swords.
Hey.
Uh-huh. You don't know me. Oops, sorry. Ano, yan lagay mong chandelier sa ano mo? Bagay yan.
Entrance.
Oo.
That's when you slap it in the side.
So play music.
Where's the token? Grabe yung balik.
largest, one of the largest chandelier. So what do you call this room?
Organ room.
Organ room. Okay.
Where the
Yeah.
organ
Yes.
that you're hearing.
Thank you. This is the organ room.
What did he ask?
Honey, that's one of the largest chandelier.
In the world, this is the largest ship.
What's the largest?
I don't know. Looks like that is the largest. Look at all those pipes. All that. Oh my God. Like all that. Oh, yung mga drums.
Sa totoong kahoy.
Check mo ah.
Hindi ko maabot.
Ding. What?
Don't kind of looks like me. Brown and it plays saxophone.
Which one? Oh, that?
Yeah, the one with the saxophone.
Oh my God. Orchestra. Where you play? Let's play. Play music. You still have token, bud? Do you still have token? Can you play music? Knock. Do you still have token? Oh. I want to watch. I think they're playing now. Why is it that? I want this. Is that part of it?
I don't know how to start this one. It's a big one. I don't know how to start it.
That's pretty cool that you put console and they play all of that.
Mom, it's probably gonna switch to that soon. Because I see a ton of like their
After?
heads. I see some of their heads moving.
Huh? They're moving? Oh, that's... Oh yeah, they're moving. Ano pala? Eto muna, tapos tutugtog yan. Gumagalaw yung ulo ng iba eh.
It's gonna switch soon.
Oh, here, here. Look at, there's a tikbalang.